All right. What's going on?
Some dude came and checked it out, and he told me that the drive line's disconnected on it.
Okay.
So I was trying to tow it back.
All the way back?
Yeah, all the way back.
The driveline disconnected?
I don't know, that's what some dude told me.
I mean, it's a shaft drive, but I mean, it could internally.
Yeah, it won't shift.
It won't shift?
Yeah.
Is it an automatic clutch?
Yeah.
Have you tried rocking it back and forth before putting it into gear?
Yeah.
All right. Then yeah, you're gonna have to be in neutral, but you're gonna have to back up a little bit. We're gonna have to give you a push, otherwise you're gonna bury. You got stock tires on that thing.
Yeah.
It's only got a little 420 on it.
It's your rentals, bro.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you're gonna have to back up. Shoot. Get out of this soft stuff.
Alright.
It's in neutral right now, isn't it? Kind of feels like it, but yeah, back up. Let's see if we can get it rolling at least. Take it easy going forward, but you want to be out of that hole. Turn your wheel so you don't go in the hole, and then gently go forward. Are you in four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
All right. I want to be in first gear. These wheels are locked up. See if you can turn the wheels in the rear end. That just spin them. Roll. All right. Come on. Yeah, that ain't gonna move this thing. Not in this soft stuff. Shoot. This from Sandlake?
It's from Tsunami.
Tsunami, yep. I know those guys. Well, wonder if we can hook it onto my machine, see if it'll do any better.
Sure.
I'm gonna see if I can just pull it back to the parking lot. If you want to just double up gently on that thing. And should be able to call the Sandlake guys. They're usually pretty reasonable, the Tsunami. And just tell them the machine stopped working.
Alright.
And they're very accommodating on stuff. So, but yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this back for you.
Okay.
To the parking lot, right?
Yeah.
The day use?
Day use, yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot around 1500.
Okay, I'll see if I can get it over at least to that area for you.
Yeah.
And see if the Sandlake guys can't come and do something for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's also other people who are also renting. I think they have the same problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I came out here with my wife and got her machine from that place, so.
Yeah. Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
So much.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get her up the hill. Engage that locking diff, because that hill's going to be the fun part. Yeah, it might be, but the lightest person possible. Just trying to keep it steering, but that's not working. fine.
Alright, good.
Yeah. You want to just lead where your rig is at? Problem. Oh yeah. You got cell service to call them?
Well, phone service, no phone service here.
Hey, if you want, you can connect to the Wi-Fi and use Wi-Fi calling out.
Yeah.
I got a network that should be up right now.
Otherwise, we are going back there. Time is up. I think we can load with this.
Yeah, if you want to, help you push it up.
Yeah, push it up.
Yeah.